Hey guys, this is Arun from the Digital Deepak team. Today Deepak and me are going to discuss about a Facebook ad method to build an email list at very low cost. This is something which we are using at Digital Deepak itself. These are the kind of ads we run to capture good amount of email opt-ins for our free digital marketing course. So we are using the exact same strategy, the same strategy which we have been using. You should also use to improve the number of affiliate commissions you make. So Deepak is going to get started with what exactly lead ads are and how you can create a lead ads campaign and optimize that campaign so that you get high quality email subscribers to your offer at very low cost. So over to Deepak.
So what are lead ads? So you can generate leads on Facebook without landing pages. It especially helps you in B2B sales than B2C sales. It is optimized for mobile, but it also works on desktop. What Facebook lead ads does is that when you create a lead ad and when someone submits a lead form, Facebook fetches the details from the Facebook profile and submits it with user's permission. So when you are doing B2B sales, like for example, right now I am working at this company called Razorpay, and Razorpay is a payments gateway company. So most of our target customers are people who want to accept payments online, like it could be e-commerce stores or anyone who sells something online. So there is a lot of cost involved in integrating Razorpay to their website. Cost in the sense not just the financial cost, but there is a lot of time involved. They need to trust Razorpay is the best solution for them, and a lot of other technicalities such as there has to be some technology integration, so there is some time involvement from the tech team. So in general, B2B sales, the sales cycle is longer. So if I get in touch with a potential customer of Razorpay today, it would take at least something like 15 days to 30 days to make them into a customer, right? So when we are doing B2B sales, we need to generate B2B leads and we need to follow up with these leads with the help of a sales team. And there has to be a lot of sales effort implemented to convert a complex sale, right? So lead ads are basically that. And lead ads are mostly optimized for mobile. When Facebook launched lead ads first, they launched it only on mobile and not on desktop. So basically what happens is that when people want to show interest and want to submit their contact information, instead of clicking and going to a landing page where landing pages conversion will be low, they submit the information on mobile itself. So I will show you how it works. So this is the usual way of generating leads. So someone clicks on an ad, they go to a landing page where there is name, email ID, and in many B2B companies, in B2B sales, you have name, email ID, company name, phone number, and also your position, and sometimes your monthly revenue, employee size, and things like that. So this becomes a lead for the sales team, which the sales team can then use to go ahead, contact this person and explain more about the product. So when you look at desktop versus mobile way of generating leads with landing pages, usually in desktops, it is easier to type in because people are using a keyboard in desktop or laptop. But in mobile, it will look like this, where there is some information to be entered on a phone, and it's usually very difficult to enter that information. So generally, the desktop landing page conversions are higher than mobile. Though landing pages are mobile optimized, it is difficult to type data correctly, and hence there will be a lot of low conversions. So Facebook lead ads pre-fills the data so that the user can submit information on a single click. So this is how Facebook lead ads show on desktop. You can see that there is this ad on the left side, and if you click on sign up button, there is a form which pops up, and in the form you can enter information about the first two fields are information that you have to enter selected from a drop down menu. This is optional, you need not always do that. And then you can see that the name, phone number, work email, company name and job title is pre-filled in the form. So user just needs to click on submit. I will show you live how lead ads work in the live demo. So this is how lead ads show on mobile. You click on subscribe or a sign up button or whatever the call to action is. There is an optional interstitial in the second step where you get to have more information about it. Click on submit, and then you can see that there is a success screen. So where do all these leads go? So these leads do not go in the ads manager or in the Power Editor. What happens to these leads is it goes into your page through which you have published the lead form, and from the page you can go ahead and download the leads. So basically go into your page settings, there is something called publishing tools, and in the forms library you can go ahead and download in a CSV format. So what you need with Facebook lead ads is real-time integration, and without real-time integration it is very difficult to manage the leads. Instead of going ahead and downloading the leads in CSV format, uploading it in a Google Doc and converting it into a sheet, you will not be able to get leads in real time. So in most of the cases, whether you are emailing your leads or you are calling up the leads, it usually has to happen instantly. So I recommend you use Zapier. So Zapier is a tool which will help you integrate Facebook lead ads dynamically, and you can put the data in a Google Sheet, or you can push it to your email marketing tool, or you can even send an SMS to your sales team that a new lead has been generated, so that the sales team can go ahead and call back the lead. So I will go ahead and start the live demo. In the live demo we will be looking at a Facebook lead ad. I will show you how to create a Facebook lead ad, and I will also show you how to integrate FB lead ads with Zapier and Google Sheets. So here I am in the ads manager, and if you want to start a lead ad, you have to go ahead and click on collect leads for your business, and let's say it is test lead generation campaign. Click on continue, and here it is just like creating any other normal ad. You have the same audience option where you can include custom audiences or exclude audiences, and then you have to go ahead and set a daily budget, optimize the ad delivery for leads, and you can go ahead and create the ad just like you would create any other ad. To show you how a lead ad works, so this is one of the lead ads I created a while back to test it with mobile and to test with different conversion ratios and ads. So here if you so this lead ad basically shows up only on mobile, and this is how it shows up on mobiles. You can see that it's short form and it shows on mobile news feed, and this is how it shows up on feature phones. So this was not a desktop lead ad, but I can still open the URL with on the desktop, and I can show you how it works. So basically people click on sign up, and once they click on sign up, there is email and full name which is auto populated from Facebook's information, and people will click on submit and it will get submitted. So since I am using my own account to open this lead ad, it's showing my information, but if a user opens this lead ad, user's information will be shown. So let's go back and look at the ads manager, and let's look at the statistics of the lead ad that I created a while back. So this campaign was called Digital Marketing Lead Ads Mobile, DM Lead Ads Mobile. I've spent a total of $60 on this, reached 22,000 people and got 362 leads. So here you can see there has been 362 leads, and I have split tested with 6 different ad creatives. So you can see this is the cost per lead, ranges from all the way from 15 cents to 23 cents. And let's go ahead and click on one of the ads. Then you can see the relevant score here, and this is the lead form. I can go and access the lead form if I want. Total number of reach, cost per lead, amount spent. So all this is displayed here. So this is how lead ads work, and now let's go ahead and look at how to integrate lead ads with Zapier. So here I am inside my Zapier account. So Zapier basically helps you integrate a lot of different apps with each other, and there are different pricing tiers for it depending on how many tasks you run. So basically it helps you save time and helps you do tasks which only a developer can do. And if you are non-developer, so Zapier basically communicates with the API of different tools and helps you go ahead and integrate all these different apps together. So Google Sheets and email marketing tools and even Facebook lead ads are included in the integration. So if I search for Facebook, you can see Facebook lead ads is available. So what I have to do is I have to go ahead and create a zap. In every zap inside Zapier, there will be a trigger and there will be an action, and in between you can add an optional filter if you want to filter it. So trigger basically is an app which will trigger the action. So in this case, trigger will be Facebook lead ads. So I go ahead and select on Facebook lead ads because this is the trigger. So whenever a new lead is generated, this automation will be triggered. Then I go ahead and click on save plus continue. Then I have to connect my Facebook account. Once I go ahead and connect my Facebook account, it will ask me to select the page, select the form, and every time a new lead is generated, the data will be passed on to Zapier. And once the data is passed on to Zapier, I have to set up an action. So here the action will be write a new row on Google Sheets. So I select Google Sheet, I select create spreadsheet row, click on continue. Then it asks me to select the account through which my Zapier account is integrated. So if you want to connect a Gmail account, basically click on connect a new account and go ahead and approve the permission for Zapier to access your account. And then you can go ahead and select your worksheet. You can go ahead and select your sheet, and in every row you can go ahead and populate the name, email ID and phone number. So this is only for writing to the sheet. So let's say you don't want to write to the sheet. Instead, you want to pass it on to your email marketing tool, and let's say MailChimp is your email marketing tool. So you can go ahead and select MailChimp. You want to add or update a subscriber here. You click on save and continue. Go ahead and connect a new account. Give a permission for Zapier to access your MailChimp account. And after that, you will get an option to select the list. And what will happen is that as soon as a Facebook lead ad is generated, Zapier will automatically go ahead and add this particular lead inside MailChimp. So that is how Zapier integration works, and I hope this video helped you understand what Facebook lead ads are, how they are different from normal landing page lead generation that we do, how it differs from desktop to mobile, and how to integrate the leads directly to some other tool. So Zapier is a paid tool, and you have to use Zapier if you want to collect the leads from Facebook. Otherwise, you can go ahead and communicate to Facebook directly via API or through some other tool. There are many other tools which will go ahead and fetch your Facebook lead ads and put it on your system. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye bye.